So in this video, we want to learn how to open up another currency account on Revolut. So when you are inside your app and we, for example, have a USD account here, but now we want to open up a different currency. Therefore, you can simply click on the right on more, and then you can click on add products and accounts. And here you can click on currency accounts, so you can spend in 30 different currencies like a local. And on the next screen, it will show you all the currencies which are available on Revolut. And we want to open up an Australian dollar account. Therefore, you can simply click on it. And now we have our own Australian dollar account. And now you can add money to it. So simply click on add money. And now it will bring you to this page. And here you can simply top up your account with Apple Pay. Or if you don't want to do it, you can also go back to the screen here. And then you can click on details and it will show you your bank details for your Australian dollar account. And then you can simply transfer money to this account. But you have one more option because you can exchange money between your accounts. So here we are on the Australian dollar account, but we don't have any money on it yet. And therefore we can simply slide over, for example, to our euro account, and then you can click on move. And here you can simply type in how much euro you want to exchange to, for example, we can choose then Australian dollars. And if I type in 10 euros, then I will get 16.31 Australian dollars. And you will always see your exchange rate on the top. And make sure you exchange money during the weekdays, because on the weekends there can be an extra fee. So just as a small note, do this during the weekdays. And now we can click on review our order. And we will see, okay, this is the exchange rate and there are no fees because we are on the Pro plan here. And then we can sell euros for Australian dollars. And now we have done this and you can see it topped up our account with 16.3.1 Australian dollars. And now you can go ahead and pay with your card, for example, in Australia, and it will be automatically deducted from your Australian currency account. So this is quite nice. I hope you like it. If you haven't started using Revolut, you will find my link down in the video description. Thank you for using it. It's a partner link and I will see you in the next video.